Imagine a lone explorer, billions of miles away, still whispering secrets back to Earth after 46 years. What kind of enduring mysteries could humanity's most distant spacecraft truly hold? Today, we're diving into the incredible saga of Voyager 1, exploring its unparalleled journey, the groundbreaking discoveries it's made, and the baffling anomalies it continues to present from the very edge of our solar system. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 first captivated us with stunning close-ups of Jupiter and Saturn. But its true legend began in 2012 when it officially crossed the heliopause, the magnetic bubble surrounding our Sun, becoming the first human-made object to enter the vast expanse of interstellar space. This uncharted territory between star systems is where Voyager now travels, sending back invaluable data from beyond our cosmic doorstep, currently over 15 billion miles away. Even after decades, Voyager 1 isn't without its dramatic moments. Recently, engineers faced a puzzling mystery. The spacecraft began sending back strange, repeating data patterns, as if it was lost or confused. It took months of dedicated work, sending commands across an incredible 15 billion miles, to diagnose and finally patch its flight data system. This incredible feat reminds us of the ingenuity required to keep this ancient craft alive and communicating across the cosmic void. Beyond its scientific triumphs, Voyager 1 carries a profound message, the Golden Record. This gilded phonograph contains sounds and images depicting life and culture on Earth, a cosmic message in a bottle intended for any intelligent extraterrestrial life it might encounter eons from now. It embodies humanity's enduring hope, curiosity, and our universal desire to connect, making Voyager 1 not just a probe, but a symbol of our place in the cosmos. Voyager 1 remains an unparalleled testament to human ingenuity, the longest-running, furthest-traveling, and most enduring ambassador from Earth. Its journey continues, full of unknowns, still teaching us about the universe and ourselves. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of space, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.